Hi, this is Dana Christisen. I'm your daily health coach. And today I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite products from Young Living, and it's called Valor. This is the form that comes in a roll-on. Valor Essential Oil is a blend, and it's been reformulated, so I need to tell you what's in it. Black spruce, camphor wood, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium, and a base of coconut oil or caprylic triglycerides, but that comes from coconut oil. So what it's for is it is an empowering combination of oils that work both on the physical and spiritual aspects of the body to create feelings of strength, courage, self-esteem in the face of adversity, and it is renowned for its strengthening qualities. It has also been helpful to help your alignment in the body. A lot of people nickname it a chiropractor in a bottle. So I have already used it before, and even before I touch it to my body, my neck would pop. It's just phenomenal, really. My husband wishes that it came in a huge container so he could bathe in it. And I will tell you that self-esteem is a really big deal, especially when you're wanting to make changes in your life. Something's not working for you and you'd like to do things differently. And that takes a lot of courage, because primitively humans were tribal people. We were in groups, and there's strength in numbers, and you would just do things with the groups, and it was really important to fit in. Back in the day, now we say that's outstanding. Well, if you were outstanding, if you were different, you would get excluded from the group and you would be outstanding by yourself. And then you were, even when you have packs of animals and there's one that's off by itself, it is a target for predators. So part of our survival is to fit in. Our programming in our brain tells us that we want to fit in and be like everybody else. And if we're different, if we do things differently, that could be a threat to ourselves. And that's a lie. I mean, this day and age, that's not a problem. In fact, this day and age, if you don't do something to break away from the pack and stand out, you're going to go down with the rest of them. No, I'm just generalizing. But so one thing that helped me recently, I've made a lot of changes in my life, and one of the things that I worked on before I made those changes was to develop better self-esteem. And Valor was one of the key things in making that happen. And this is how I use it. Just roll it on my wrist. You can see it's wet there. It's kind of blue. The blue tansy's blue. And I just rub my wrist together, and I kind of hold it like that for a minute or two. I can feel that going through my body. So always smell your oils, no matter what you're putting on. Now this one's a joy to smell. It's a pleasure. The aroma is very pleasant. So if you anything you're using, always inhale it. I know some things don't have that great of an aroma, but you will do yourself good if you also inhale it, because the fact that they have an aroma means that they're supposed to go into our nose. And through our nose, they'll go wherever they're supposed to go. So if you got any issues regarding alignment, structure, feeling strong, feeling supported, having courage to make the changes that you need in life to get to where you want to be, then I would recommend getting some Valor. And this one is almost empty. And I've had it, I guess, about 2 months. So it lasts for a while. If you use it every day, you may want to use one a month. I highly recommend that. The more the better. And you'll start noticing that it's easier for you to draw or to set boundaries in your life and to make changes that are lasting. So I hope that you guys have a fabulous day. If you need any support getting Young Living essential oils, let me know. They are, Young Living does require you to have, well, not require. They ask you who referred you, and that person would be who would be your mentor and who would work with you and teach you how to use them. So if you don't have anyone that's shown you, just let me know. Contact me, and I'll be glad to be your sponsor. You can check out my website at reviveo.com. That's REVIVEEO.com. I hope you have a blessed day.